Customers, please excuse this mess, but you're kind of the blame for this, okay? I want to say thank you very much. What's going on, Michael?
We're moving. Yep. On to the next chapter, bigger, better things. If you want to do anything from basic level kits to full-blown builds, we have the parts for you.
And what is it that we're doing though? Because you gave me some news when I was on the road last week, and you gave me some news of what's really going on. What's going on?
So we've been kind of keeping it under wraps. We have some great things happening with the showroom. We're going to be able to have walk-in customers come in, check things out, see the products, feel the products, touch them, see the vehicles, everything.
Talk to us. We're all going to be there.
Yeah,
Washington,
we will
Missouri.
be there.
Yeah.
Yep. We're in Washington. Tons of side-by-sides, tons of trucks, tons of Jeeps.
But here's the cool thing. Yes, we're a distributor, right? We're also a manufacturer.
Yes.
But we don't just pick up the phone and say, what part number do you? I mean, give me the VIN number, right? Like some other distributors do, right?
Exactly.
What do you guys do that make you different, that makes us different than people that don't believe what we do?
We're enthusiasts. That's the baseline of it. We all came from backgrounds of just loving this stuff, and then we're making it happen to make it a living out of it.
Yeah,
it's a lifestyle.
With FASS Motorsports, you basically get a free, no-pressure consultation. You call us for parts. We're going to make sure we're getting you what you need. Yeah, it's great. I mean, I listen to these guys on the phone all the time.
Tell them about our relationship with Dynatrac.
Dynatrac, big one, big news. We are now the sole distributor of Dynatrac Axles. It's what we run on this. It's what we run on the other shop Jeep. And so there's some very big things happening there. Keep an eye out for some custom specs, full stock of all the big products that Dynatrac has to offer.
And why are they doing this? Because of these guys right here. Not me. I don't know Jeeps, okay? But why are they doing that? Because of your knowledge?
Yes, we love the stuff. We love the Jeeps. We love the off-roading. Dynatrac has always been a very, very good name, very big name in the industry. And we've had a very good relationship with them over the past several years. And we just hit it off. Everything worked out perfect. We've moved a ton of their product. We've had some great results with them. They've had some great results with us. And now it's a partnership.
Tell us about a couple other partnerships coming up.
We have some PRP. We're going to have a full display of PRP for walk-ins. You can see the swatches. You can feel the seats, sit in the seats, side-by-sides, Jeeps, rock crawlers, pre-runners, everything. That's a big one. Cognito, we have tons of Cognito product coming into the house, especially for all the GM guys. We'll be manufacturing parts long term. We have a lot of exciting things.
Do we have any driving games coming in? Where you sit in front of a screen, maybe in a PRP?
Oh, we
do now.
Yeah.
I want to go fast.
I'm down for that.
All right, we may have a game to play when you come in. So. See what
I would like
do.
that, yeah.
But yeah, that's how we're different, okay? And these guys are the ones that make it work. They're the ones with the knowledge, and they'll give you the part that you need / want, and give you correct advice, and not just be thinking. We're not going to be like doctors and say, "Oh, you got sniffles.
Right.
You need this drug, and this drug." To kill. No, you feed my bank. I was to help you.
Exactly.
So,
not every part is for every single customer. Some guys, it just doesn't work out for their build, for what they're using the vehicle for. We're not going to only push some just to make a buck. We're going to build exactly what they need to fix that person's purpose with the best parts.
give us a call. Go to FASS Motorsports. Look at your parts. Give us a call. Whatever. Contact us. We'll help you out.